What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we back, baby. I know y'all see that behind me. This is what's going into the pasta tonight. We got some scallops, shrimp, some lobster, some crab legs. I got to get the peeling and dicing. I'll be back. I got you chop it up real good, de-shell, dice, shred, and I'm gonna slice these. Right, y'all, we back. We're gonna put these mushrooms in. And I'm not cutting them or nothing because they're tiny. They're small mushrooms, as y'all see. We're gonna put these in, leave it on, well, I'm about to cover it actually. And what we're gonna do is get some of the butter on top. We're gonna let those saute down before I put the rest of the food in there. And we'll be back, baby. Alright, we about to put we got the mushrooms going. As y'all see that steam. The garlic and mushrooms, paprika, salt, pepper. It's gonna be delicious, y'all. We got the lobster going in. Scallops going in. Shrimp going in, and crab going in. I don't want to do too much of nothing behind this is an expensive meal. If y'all want to help support the channel, hey, get the Cash App at Truckerslife 78. Like I said, I'm about to be in between jobs for a couple. Well, I leave Monday for my new job, but I won't be able to post for couple weeks because I can't take everything on a plane with me. So I'm getting everything smothered in that butter and garlic and mushrooms mixed around. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I can't wait to eat it. I might have too much, which means I have dinner for tomorrow. Well, actually, I know I have too much. But because of how much meat I put in, I gotta put more butter in. That in. Put that in. And now we're gonna cover it. That piece of garlic was trying to escape. So it's that one. And let them mix it around, stir it up a little bit, get it agitated. Oh, just putting it in there smells good. Look at this, y'all. Yikes! Oh, piece of scallop got out. There we go. Get a little belly in the middle right there, see? This over here. Cover it back up. We got the seafood and sauce blend and Parmesan blend. Put it right there. You know what? No, we ain't gonna do that. Here we go. Grab some. Spread it out. Grab more. Spread it out too. Now grab this chip sauce. That's not it, y'all. I'll be right back. I gotta find my parsley. Alright, y'all, found the parsley. Time to finish the meal. Grab that little bit. Grab this parsley real quick. this place that we're gonna take our time trying to get.